How you doing? My name is Marlon Hurd. I'm going to be your presenter today, and I'm going to welcome you to our 1-minute business opportunity presentation. All right, now if you're here, it's because somebody thought enough of you to say, hey, I'm working on something huge, and I want you to take a look at it. So you should feel privileged that you're here today witnessing this information. So we're not going to keep you here long. We just want to give you enough information to decide whether you'd like to take advantage, you're not currently interested, you love what you hear, but you have a few questions. In the next minute, I'm going to show you how all this can work for you. You got a minute? So if you want to make an extra $500 to $2,000 per month starting out, you have to do these three things. Number one, don't change. Be yourself. Continue to recommend the things you like, such as your favorite vacation spot or best places to eat. Number two, we are a travel company, which means we show people how to save up to 70% on their travel. We are also bringing the highly successful Uber concept to travel with our $50 billion project, and we show people how to participate in the profits of the $8 trillion travel industry. Number three, all you have to do is give away free travel websites to customers. When those customers save money on their travel, you will earn 50% of what they save. So you make money when they save money. You can also build a team of people that give away free travel websites to customers. When those people save money on travel, you will earn 10% on what they save. Once you have enough free customers and team members that have joined with free customers, you will start to earn an extra $500 to $2,000 per month. And that's it. The rest is up to you. Right now, I'm pretty sure like, wow, that's amazing. But just like anyone else, I'm pretty sure you have questions. So let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions that we get from individuals after they view our 1-minute presentation. What's the name of the company? Hey, that's a valid question. Well, the name of our company is called iBuumerang. All right, iBuumerang. And the reason it's called iBuumerang is because what we do, we throw out free travel websites and goodwill, and what comes back to us? Cash. And we went live on March 11th, 2019. In this short period of time, we've already paid out over $10 million in commissions, and we have over 100,000 users, and these numbers are just going to continue to grow. The company is founded by a gentleman by the name of Mr. Holton Buggs. He's considered the Michael Jordan of the home-based business industry. With his 29 years of experience, he launched this concept, which is absolutely phenomenal. And then we have, you see right there, iBuumerang is the number 10 fastest growing company in the world. You can go to growjoe.com and you can see right there, number 10, iBuumerang. So we're doing some amazing things in a short period of time. What's another question? How does this really work? That's another valid question. Well, just imagine this was Uber. 2009, you're looking at Uber, and Uber is going to give you an opportunity to hand out free apps. And every time somebody takes a ride on your app, the company's going to pay you 50% of the fare. You could also build a team of individuals that handed out Uber apps. And when individuals took rides on your team members' apps, you're going to earn 10%. So now, since 2009 and to this date, you've been handing out apps. How much income could you potentially be earning at this point if this was Uber? Well, imagine that this is Uber. Instead of free apps, we have free travel websites. And we're doing the same exact thing. So what you're doing essentially is looking at another Uber opportunity. And you have now this is your chance to take advantage of this opportunity. So that is how this really works, which is absolutely huge. Now, how much to get started and to get my position? Now, this is a very, very good question. Well, here's how much it is to get started. We have 3 levels where you can get started. We have the coach level, business class, and first class. And as you can see on each level, and you have your very own iGo booking engine where you can save up to 70% on your travel. It goes from hotels, flights, rental cars. The next level business class, they add cruises. The next level first class, you get access to everything. And again, you save up to 70%. Each level gives you a certain amount of free travel websites that you can give away to start with, and how much you can earn on the travel savings bonuses when your customers, the ones that you give away, save on their travel. You also have an opportunity to earn a certain percentage on what your team does. Should you decide to get involved and build a team that also gives away free travel websites, you can earn 10, 12, or 15% from their activities. Then you have other things like luxury experiences where you can learn earlier and earlier when these things become available. So coach level is a one-time investment of $250. plus your $49 franchise fee. The next level business class is $500 to get started plus your $49 franchise fee. And then first class is $1,000 to get started plus your $49 franchise fee. And all three levels have a $99 per month subscription fee. And what that does, it just keeps your business going. $33 of that $99 pays for something we call the perpetual residual income builder, where that's going to help you build up your monthly check every single month. Another $33, make sure that the website stay free for the customer so that you have much longer residual income. And then another $33 keeps your entire business running. Your back office, how you're going to get paid, your booking engine, your presentation site, all the training. So you get a lot of value in running your business. All right, another question. Why should I get started? That's another great question. Why should I get started and get positioned? Well, every company, every network marketing company goes through 4 stages of growth. You have the formulation stage, concentration, momentum, and then stability. Right now, we are in the formulation stage. Every company goes through this. I'm pretty sure you heard of individuals who made a lot of money in network marketing or the home-based business industry. And those people who did very, very well got started at the beginning during the formulation period. So why should you get started? Because it's all about timing and positioning. Timing and positioning is everything. It's just like when that stock comes out and it's only $1. Then when you look up, that stock is now $90. Well, those who learned about it when it's $1, that was timing and positioning. So that's the most important thing about this opportunity, is to take advantage right now. Get involved, and then we'll teach you how to build the business. So get back with the person that shares this with you and let them know if you'd like to take advantage, not currently interested. If you're not currently interested, make sure you get your free travel website. You love what you hear, but you have a few more questions. So in advance, I'd like to say welcome to the team, and I look forward to working with you. Hey, how you doing? My name is Marlon Hurd. I'm one of the leaders here with iBuumerang here in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm making this video. Well, first of all, the reason you're here is either because you just got done watching the 7-minute video I put together, or you were on a launch call, or you watched a presentation, and somebody just wants you to really understand what's going on, how simple this opportunity is. So the reason I put this together is just for that. I want to let you know exactly how simple this business is, because most individuals, when they take a look at network marketing, they pass it off as every other company out there. And I don't want you to do that because of the timing, what we have going on, what we've already been able to do. Just during our pre-launch time, we're the number 10 fastest growing company in the world. We've done some amazing thing, paid out $10 million in commissions during our pre-launch, and it's growing so rapidly, but still a lot of people don't know about what we have going on. And if you're looking at this right now, you're one of the lucky individuals who are taking a look at a network marketing opportunity in the formulation stages. Okay, this is absolutely huge. I've been doing network marketing since 2002, and I've never seen anything like this that's going to allow people who are either great recruiters or not make money in network marketing. Finally, I've been waiting for something like this. I really enjoy this industry. It's changed my life. I watched it change other people's lives, but I was like, man, I know that if they're not a great recruiter, they're not going to do well. Finally, that opportunity is here where you don't have to be. So here's how simple this is. Here's all we're doing. This is you, okay? And all we're doing is giving free travel websites, which we call boomerangs, all you're doing is giving free travel websites to people you know and to your network. That's all we are doing. Free travel websites. Either somebody is getting ready to travel, they just got done traveling, or they wish they were traveling. And you have an opportunity to give them a free travel website where they can save up to 35% on their travel, okay? It's just like what Uber did. In 2009, Uber started getting those apps into the hands of people. Now, even though they knew people were not going to be used to it, or why would I get in somebody else's car to travel somewhere else that I don't know? But Uber understood that one day people are going to catch on to it. And they just kept, here, download the app, download the app, download the app, download the app. Now, 90% of people Uber have either Ubered at one point in time, will be Ubering, or do it all the time, okay? So we're taking that same Uber model and bringing it to travel. So all we're doing right now is getting the free travel websites into people's hands. All right, here's the free travel website. Here's the free travel website. Here's the free travel website. Because one day, everybody's going to be traveling on our free travel website. And you want to be ready when that time hits. Make sense? So once you give the free travel website to the people you know or to your network or to your congregates or whomever, the PRIB, the perpetual residual income builder, is going to take over keeping up with your customers. One thing that's really important in business is customer service, keeping up with the customers. Well, now you don't have to do that. We're going to have a system that does that for you. They're going to say, hey, don't forget you have don't forget you have a free travel website. And when we add new services to the site, hey, we have this new service. You can save here, you can save here, you can save here, you can save here. And every time that person saves money on that travel website, you're going to earn 50% of the savings. All right. So let's say you give a website to somebody, they book travel or they use some of the services they're going to be in there, and they save $200 in a month. Well, because you gave them the site, the company's going to pay you $100 of that. Now, let's say they save $1,000 over the year. Well, that year you make $500 in income from one person. Multiply that by 10. Multiply that by 100. Multiply that by 1,000. And remember, the site is free. Doesn't cost them anything, which means they're going to keep it. Okay? And then the PRIB is going to help you out. You're going to earn 50% of the savings every single time. It's just that simple. Nothing complicated. You don't have to know how to present. You don't have to know how to sell. That's why I'm making this video, because you can share with other people to let them know how simple this business is. Everything is already set. All you have to do is just say, hey, watch this link. Watch this link. Do you want to get involved? No. Free travel website. Okay. Now you can also build a team of people that also does the same thing. It's nothing different. All right. This person knows 100 people. This person knows 1,000. This person does 10. This person knows 5. It doesn't matter. Guess what? You're going to get paid from the savings from their websites, free websites as well too. Just one day you look up, you can have 1 million customers in your network getting paid every day, every week, every month, because somebody is going to be using the site looking for a way to save money. And it's free. The same way with Uber. It's free with Uber. And what is it? What all Uber is a technology company that made it cheaper for riders to get a ride with a better experience. They have a better experience riding somewhere. No more stinky cabs, right? And cheaper prices. All they did is develop technology. They don't own any cars. They don't own any fleets, right? We're doing the same thing here at iBuumerang. We don't own any airlines. We don't own any hotels. All we're doing is helping the traveler have a better booking and traveling experience at cheaper prices. And that's how we developed the technology that allows for them to do that. Same exact thing. Uber's a $50 billion company. It may be more now. And we're doing the same thing. We're going to be a $50 billion home-based business. The only difference is that you have an opportunity to participate in the profits. You missed the Uber profits because they didn't offer it. We're offering Uber profits in this opportunity, giving away free travel websites and showing others this opportunity to give away free travel websites. And every time somebody saves money on that site, you're going to earn 50% of what they save. Just that simple. Okay, now here's my suggestion. I'm pretty sure you've already saw the prices. We have coach class. That's $250 to get started one time. We have business class. That's $500 to get started one time. We have first class. That's $1,000 to get started one time. We suggest getting started at least at the business class. Okay, and the reason being is that you're going to be able to earn all of the travel savings bonuses, at least on hotels, rental cars, and cruises. Now, you can upgrade to first class or what have you, but at least business class, okay? At least business class, because you'll be able to earn everything that you can. And then eventually upgrade to first class so that you can save money on everything, all right? Everything that the customer does or we will be adding to the site, okay? So Marta Hurd, I just want you to understand what we have going on here, how simple this is, because every day you see people who are, I can't wait to go on this vacation. Ooh, I'm going here, I'm going there. And guess what? You can say, hey, well, next time you book travel or when you buy to book travel, go to your free travel website. They'll be like, what's that? You go to your phone or you go to the laptop, put them in. Hey, now you can save. They'll be like, well, thank you. Okay? Never fails. Absolutely simple. So just want you to watch this video. If you have any questions, I share this with you, get back with me. If somebody else did, get back with them. Say, hey, how can I get started? Giving away free travel websites and showing others how to do the same should you want to. All right? So Marlon Hurd, well, thank you for watching. We'll connect with you soon.